So let me introduce you to the subscription management tracker. This you could use for your work subscriptions, your personal subscriptions, your family subscriptions. So be it your Netflix subscriptions, Amazon Prime subscription, gym membership, your web hosting, your domain name. So any membership, any software, any service for which you pay regularly, like every week, every month, every year. So what happens is we sometimes lose track of when we are supposed to pay for subscriptions. So we have different ways. We keep getting alerts, but I've realized it's good that if we know beforehand what's our cash outflow every week, every month for different subscriptions that we use and the different categories that we have subscribed for. Hence, this is a very easy to use Excel template for tracking all your subscription memberships for software and services. So here you could see it's a very quick overview, a single sheet. So in the bottom half, you have the subscription tracker where you need to mention the different subscription services that you have. So here in the demo data, for example, I have Netflix. So I have a website which I could go to renew my subscription. The type, I have options of personal, family, work, other. You could change that. I'll show you how to do that. Then I have a category where I have taken entertainment, food, health, other shopping software. You could again go ahead and change that. Frequency is annual, monthly, weekly. So you enter that, then you enter the cost, the last payment that you made, and the next renewal date. This you update every time you renew a subscription. Basis the renewal date, if it's in the past, the renewal due column will give you a yes or a no option. For example, 30th June, I'm recording this on the 6th of July, so it's already overdue. It shows yes. Here also you could see the renewal date was 3rd of July, so it's again in the past, so it shows yes. If the renewal date is within the next 7 days, you will get an yellow alert there. So it's like a soft reminder that the renewal date is in the next 1 week. So it's time for you to go and plan your review. Then you also have a payment method just to remind you how you have paid for this subscription, because we all have so many subscriptions. We may lose track of which credit card or which debit card or which payment method we may have used. And then you could add if auto renewal was set as on for that particular subscription, you could leave your notes. And then here are a few calculated fields which you don't have to enter. This is just for the dashboard. So here you have Netflix, Amazon Prime. I have a co-working office membership. I have a health insurance, life insurance, Spotify, domain name for my website, web hosting, car insurance, gym membership, a news alert service. So annual, monthly, weekly. So enter your details and then you get the report here. So as per this demo data, the annual subscription cost is about 202,239. Number of subscriptions, 13. Subscriptions due for renewal, 2. You could see here, 1, Netflix, and then the co-working office membership. One is a monthly, one is annual. Renewals due in the next 7 days, 5. Renewal due in the next 30 days, 7. So this gives me a beforehand information, and I'm prepared to have adequate cash flow to ensure that I'm able to renew. Or if I don't want to renew, I can go ahead and cancel the subscription well in advance. So amount due in 7 days is 18,215. Amount due in 30 days is 22,915. So I know my finances. I can plan my finances. That's the entire idea of the sheet. Then you have some charts. So annual cost type, you could see work, 49%, personal, 36%, family, 15%. And then you have the category wise. So other is the maximum. So you could go ahead and you can filter out, and then you can check that, okay, what are the different categories where you are spending on. And then you also have your cash outflow report. So every year you spend 59,000 rupees on your annual subscriptions. Every month you spend 11,000 on monthly subscriptions. And every week you spend 215 on your weekly subscriptions. So this is a very easy template where you could mention all your subscriptions. You can keep track of it. It gives you reminders of what's due in the next 7 days, how much you need to pay in the next 30 days. If you want to customize it, you have the drop-down options here. You could extend the drop down, you could reduce it, you could change the category types. These are auto-calculated fields which I've used for the chart. So don't change the formulas here. Even in this main tracker, all columns with the blue header have calculated fields. The password is protected. If you want to change the password, you can go on review and you can unprotect sheet. There is no password. It's just a precaution which I've taken so that you don't accidentally delete the formula. So go ahead. The download link is there in the description. If you want to manage your subscription services for work, personal, family, and you want a nice tracker like this to ensure that you know how much are you spending on each category, how much you're spending each week, each month, each year, and then you could review it that, okay, which subscriptions can you cancel and you want to keep. So you could decide based on how much it costs you, when it is due, because in the digital first world, we all have so many subscriptions, right? From insurance to gym and health club memberships, to music apps, to entertainment apps. So it's good to keep a track of all your subscriptions and take an informed decision. So if you like this, go ahead and download it. If you want any customizations, if you have any suggestions, do mention that in the comment section. Thank you very much.